All right, what we have here is my 69 Kaiser Jeepster Commando. The engine knocks when it runs. It would take a little bit to get it even running. Bunch of rust in the floors, bunch of rust in the air quarter panels, things like that. Oh, you can hear the birds coming over. Spring is in the air. So what I'm thinking about doing is an Overland trailer. And the idea that I'm kind of leaning towards is keep the Jeep whole, take the front axle, engine, transmission, transfer case, all that stuff off of it, and add a actual trailer tongue on the front. And under the hood, I'd put propane, batteries, maybe a small generator. Down below inside, maybe a spot for wood or water. And then in the back, have like a slide-out kitchen type deal for cooking and things like that. And then on the top, I would do an Overland tent that maybe folds out and has a ladder. The overall length of the inside is about 6 feet, and it's pretty narrow, so it would make it hard to, plan on being inside even with the seats out, sleeping. First step would be to get it made into a trailer, and then I can just throw all my camping gear inside, and then I would just kind of work on little parts, the kitchen and the Overland tent and those kinds of parts, and get it to a point where, each project is like a small manageable piece of the big project. It's about 17 feet long if you count that little tongue piece on there that's on there now. That was to haul the Jeep around behind you. I would remove that. And kind of see the engine bay and the size of it. Not a lot of room in there. I'd also probably put like a 780 degree awning or whatever they're called to kind of keep you dry while you're cooking and things like that. Thought about leaving a seat in just so you have someplace dry to sit, but you'd need a vehicle to pull this anyway, so I don't think I'm going to do that. Maybe install a radio system or something like that. It's all an idea at the moment. Let me know what you think.